Are you looking for the best 88-key digital pianos that feel like real pianos without the price tag? Which 88-key digital piano actually feels like a real piano? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most look the same online. Same keys, same buttons, same promises. But when you sit down to play, that's when you realize not all weighted keys are created equal. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, Yamaha P45B. If you want a digital piano that truly mimics the feel and sound of an acoustic piano without breaking the bank, the Yamaha P45B is worth a serious look. Yamaha's reputation alone catches your attention. This isn't some no-name brand trying to mimic quality. It's positioned as an entry-level pro model, ideal for serious beginners or returning players who won't settle for flimsy Ps. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The P45B uses Yamaha's graded hammer standard, GHS action, meaning the keys are heavier in the bass and lighter in the treble, just like a real piano. That's crucial if you're building proper finger strength and technique. The 10 built-in voices include a rich Yamaha grand piano sound, and the built-in speakers deliver clean, balanced audio. With USB connectivity, you can easily connect to apps like Simply Piano or Flowkey. Over 1,000 units sold in the past month show real demand, even without visible reviews yet. Now, some people complain about the lack of Bluetooth or flashy features. Here's the thing though, this piano isn't built for gimmicks, it's built for honest practice. If you want deep sound and real key response, you trade op connectivity for authenticity. The sustain pedal is basic but functional, and the minimalist design keeps distractions low. This is perfect for you if you're serious about learning piano and want a durable, no-nonsense instrument that grows with you. Skip this one if you need Bluetooth, tons of sounds, or portability. It's not foldable and doesn't run on batteries. For the price, it's one of the best investments.
Product number 2, Carina Foldable Piano. If you need an 88-key piano you can literally pack in a backpack and take anywhere, the Carina Foldable Piano is a game changer. At under $100, it's shockingly affordable, and the fact that it folds in half is what caught my eye. It's clearly aimed at beginners who want portability without sacrificing full-size keys. Here's why this matters for you. The semi-weighted keys are velocity sensitive, so they respond to how hard you press, important for learning dynamics. The light-up keys are a standout feature, guiding your fingers through songs like a visual teacher. Pair that with Bluetooth connectivity to apps like GarageBand or Perfect Piano, and you've got an interactive learning tool. The built-in rechargeable battery gives 6 to 8 hours of play, so you're not tied to an outlet. It even includes stickers for key labels, great for total beginners. Now, some users mention the keys feel a bit light and plasticky compared to full weighted options. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to replace a studio piano. It's for dorm rooms, travel, or parents who don't want to disturb neighbors. The sound is decent through headphones, but don't expect concert hall depth. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner on a budget who values portability and learning aids. Skip this one if you're aiming for classical training or need a piano that feels heavy and responsive. Go for fully weighted instead. For under $100, it's a product number 3, RWESU 88-key bundle. If you want the full starter package, keyboard, stand, pedal, headphones, case, and even a mic, the RWESU 88-key bundle delivers incredible value at $116. This isn't just a piano, it's a complete practice station. The brand might not be famous, but the included gear makes it feel premium. Here's why this matters for you. The half-weighted keys are lighter than full hammer action, which helps beginners avoid fatigue while still building finger control. With 1,000 tones and 1,000 rhythms, you can explore everything from jazz to electronic beats. Great for keeping practice fun. The MIDI and Bluetooth support lets you connect to recording software or apps, and the dual keyboard mode is perfect for teacher-student sessions. The sturdy double X stand and potted carrying case mean you can set up anywhere and pack up fast. Now, some buyers note the sound quality isn't as rich as higher-end models. The speakers are functional but not immersive. Here's the thing though, most beginners practice with headphones anyway, and the audio output is clean and quiet. The mic input is a nice touch for singing along, though it's basic. This is perfect for you if you want everything in one box and don't want to buy accessories separately. Skip this one if you already have a stand or need fully weighted keys for serious technique. For the price, it's one of the most complete beginner kits out there.
Product number 4, Stritch SEP 88F Foldable. If you love the idea of a portable piano but want better sound and build than typical budget models, the Stritch SEP 88F stands out. At $117, it's slightly pricier than others, but the ultra-slim foldable design and dual stereo speakers make it feel more premium. It folds down to just 25 inches, smaller than a guitar case. Here's why this matters for you. The semi-weighted keys are touch-sensitive, offering a smoother transition to acoustic pianos than plastic-feeling alternatives. The 128 tones and 80 demo songs give variety without overwhelming beginners. The built-in battery lasts for hours, and the potted carrying bag makes it easy to take to lessons or gigs. The sound from the dual speakers is fuller and more balanced than most in this range, great for small performances or group practice. Now, some users wish it had Bluetooth, which it lacks. Here's the thing though, it still connects via USB MIDI to apps like GarageBand, so you're not cut off from learning tools. The trade-off is simplicity and reliability. This is perfect for you if you want a portable piano with better
Product number 5, vYoymo 88-Key Teaching Piano. If you're a total beginner who learns by doing, the vYoymo 88-Key Piano packs every teaching feature imaginable, all under $90. With 150 demo songs, 1,000 tones in multiple lesson modes, it's like having a piano teacher built into the keyboard. The LED screen shows settings clearly, which helps when navigating features. Here's why this matters for you. The semi-weighted keys are light and forgiving, perfect for small hands or those new to piano. The teaching modes lets you play along with demos, while the metronome and chord sync help build rhythm and theory skills. Bluetooth and USB MIDI mean you can connect to apps or record your progress. The included microphone, sustain pedal, and keynote stickers make it a full learning ecosystem. Now, some users report the build feels a bit flimsy, especially the foldable design. Here's the thing though, it's not built for stage use, it's for bedroom practice, and at this price, the feature density is unmatched. The sound is decent through headphones, though bass lacks depth. This is perfect for you if you want maximum learning tools on a tight.
So, which one's best? If you want real piano feel, go Yamaha P45B. Need portability? Karina or Stritch fold easily. Want everything included? RWESU's bundle wins. On a tight budget, but want tons of features? VEYOU delivers. Each has trade-offs, but all give you 88 keys that actually help you learn. Pick based on your lifestyle, not the specs. Thanks for watching and happy playing.